shot through the heart, and you're too late, darling. You in love, a bad way.
It's a unique evening, as the Grand Junction Rockestra is only one of two rockestras in the nation. The other one is the Sioux City Rockestra. It actually stemmed from an honor band I did in Iowa in 2008 or 9. I used to live in Sioux City, Iowa, taught there for 5 years. And after that honor band concert, a bunch of people went out, and a friend of mine was there, and he used to be the executive director of the Sioux City Symphony, and he started his own Sioux City Rockestra. And he was telling me about it, and I'm going, oh my gosh, can you send me a video of that? And he sent me a DVD of a show. And I, over Christmas break the next year, it sat there for a year, and I was watching this show, and I just said to myself, this would go over huge in Grand Junction. We have the people to do this. So I assembled the rock band, and then we had karaoke style vocal auditions. 30 singers showed up for that audition, and we chose 6. And then that was when I was playing in the Grand Junction Symphony, and I stood up in front of the orchestra and I said, I'm starting a new band in town. Would anybody like to play in a rock and roll orchestra? And a bunch of hands went up, and so that's how I assembled the orchestra. And through the years, people have come and gone, but there's a long line of people who would like to play in this band. So I have a list in every section of substitutes, and when there's a permanent opening, we draw from that as well, from that list of substitutes in the country. So Grand Junction has one of only 2 rockestras in the United States.